Check out this 2006 Chevrolet Avalanche. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Anti-lock brakes help to bring your vehicle to a safe stop. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Stability control. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.